Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off the read receipt feature on WhatsApp. If you have ever wanted to control whether people can see when you have read their messages, you are in the right place. So let's dive in. First, open the WhatsApp on your phone. Once it's open, tap on the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Privacy option and tap on that. This will bring you to a screen where you can control various privacy settings for your account. Next, under the Privacy section, you will see an option called Read Receipts. This controls whether people can see when you have read their messages. To turn the read receipts on, make sure the toggle switch is turned on. This means people will be able to see when you have read their messages. If you want to turn the read receipts off, simply tap the toggle switch so that it's turned off, and it will show it will be gray, as you can see. This means no one will be able to see when you have read their messages. If you have any questions or need further help, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.